Hello students, today we start the class with the third unit, a poem, All the World's a Stage. Okay, this is a poem was written by William Shakespeare. Okay, William Shakespeare, he was a very famous writer in the 15th century. Okay, he wrote 37 plays dramas. Okay, 37 plays, 2 long poems, and sonnets also. Sonnets, a 14-line poem is called a sonnet. Sonnet also he wrote. And that among the 37 plays, he wrote As You Like It. Okay, he wrote a play named As You Like It. Abdin oru play he wrote. In that play, he used that some phrases. ஓகேவா, அந்த பிளேயிலிருந்து எடுத்த ஒரு ஸ்மால் போயம் எஸ் ஆல் த வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் எ ஸ்டேஜ். Very very small part that was taken from the play As You Like It, okay, which was written by William Shakespeare. Very 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 important poem, and this paragraph is very very important, and the theme of the poem is very very easiest one, so listen carefully, right? And we can enter into the poem. And okay, here in this poem, Shakespeare says about the different stages in the life of man. Okay, Shakespeare says about the different stages in the life of man. You may refer to the glossary given at the end of the monologue to help you. Okay, it is a monologue, right? A monologue means only one person will speak, right? Okay, and I'll start the poem. All the world's a stage. Many of you might have heard about this phrase. ஓகே, உலகம் என்பதே ஒரு நாடக மேடை அப்படின்னு நீ கேட்டிருக்கியா? that is in English they have given. Okay, all the world's a stage, right? So author is Shakespeare is telling that world is a stage. Okay, world is a stage, and all the men and women merely players. Okay, all the men and women, who are they? The human beings. God has created human beings, no? That human beings, we, and all the men and women merely players. Okay, we are all players in the world. Okay, in the world is a stage, and all the men and women merely players, right? Merely players, and they have their exit and their entrances, right? They refers that human beings. Okay, they have their exit. This is very very important appreciation question. Exit means birth. Okay, exit means death, entrance means birth, right? Exit, death, and entrance means birth. Okay, and in the world eppadi birth porandu varum, and at last we will die. Okay, so they have their exit and their entrances. People, we have exit and birth and death in our lifespan. Okay, God has created us like that only. And one man in his time plays many parts. One man in his time plays many parts. So within that time span, what is happening? That a particular man or else a woman, he plays many roles, right? For example, if we take women, he plays a role as a daughter, a mother, wife, grandmother, and so many that roles she will be taken. So like that man also. So in that stage, we are players, and we are going to play many roles in that short life span, right? So author, what he is coming to say, the world is a stage for human being where they play their different roles of life. In fact, human beings play their parts in life as characters play their role on stage. புரியுதா என்ன சொல்கிறேனே? அதாவது இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் ப்ளே தேர் பார்ட்ஸ் இன் லைஃப் அஸ் கேரக்டர்ஸ்னால் என்ன, ஒரு நாடகத்தில் இருக்கிற கேரக்டர்ஸ் ப்ளே தேர் ரோல் ஆன் ஸ்டேஜில் எப்படி அவங்க ஆக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு போகிறாங்களோ, லைக் தட் இன் த சேம் வே தட் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் ப்ளே தேர் பார்ட்ஸ் இன் லைஃப். I hope you can understand. And okay, next, so this is a title, that a title explanation, right? And we are going to we have 7 stages that Shakespeare has given 7 stages in our life. So the first stage, we are going to see the first stage is infant stage. Okay, his acts being 7 ages. Okay, that 7 ages, 7 parts we are going to see. At first, the infant. So first stage is infant stage. Infant, you know very well, குழந்தை பருவம். Okay, mewling and pucking in the nurse arms. So how the child will be? What do you mean by mewling? A small weak noise that a cat makes. ஒரு கேட் வந்து எப்படி அப்படியே ஒரு சவுண்டு கொடுத்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஓகே, சின்ன குழந்தையோட that noise. ஓகேவா, சின்ன that sound is called as mewling. Okay, you can take that meaning from the glossary part. And pucking in the nurse arms. What do you mean by pucking? Vomiting. Okay, vomiting. So in the childhood age, what the child is doing, he is mewling and pucking in the nurse arms. கத்திக்கிட்டு நம்ம அப்படியே வந்து we just gave our entrance to the world. So this is the first stage. Okay, and we will move to the second stage, then the winning schoolboy. Okay, the second stage is a schoolboy. Okay, schoolboy with his satchel means school bag. Okay, bag, and a shining morning's face creeping like snail. Okay, in that schoolboy face, how it looks, okay, his face is very shining. Okay, in the morning, if we see the boy's face in the morning, it is very fresh. Okay, it looks beautiful. But creeping, what do you mean by creeping? Creeping means walking slowly. When he goes to the school, that author is comparing his walk with the snail walk. We know very well how snail moves. Okay, very slowly it will move. So அந்த மாதிரி like that, a schoolboy, he is creeping like snail unwillingly to school. Actually, yeah, we also did this one. Okay, he or she doesn't want to go to school, right? ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அன்வில்லிங்லி, ரொம்ப ஒரு வேறு வழி இல்லாமல் கம்பல்ஷனில் we went to the school. Okay, in our early age, right? So that's what author has given here. So that first stage is infant, the second stage is a schoolboy stage. That schoolboy stage, actually he doesn't want to go to school. He moves like a snail. Okay, he walks very slowly to the school. That denotes he doesn't like to go to the school. Okay, and then the third stage. Okay, what is the third stage? Third stage is he become somewhat elder, and the lover stage. Okay, lover, and shying like furnace with a awful pallid made to his mistress eyebrow. Okay, shying, you know very well, shying and shy, feeling shy. Okay, breathe deeply. Okay, furnace, you know very well, where fire is made. That furnace pathina, that fire, how it will come. Okay, how it will come, that fire அப்படியே ஒரு ஓசன் சவுண்டு வரும்ல, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி he felt. Okay, with a awful pallid. Awful means, what do you mean by unhappy pallid? Pallid is a song. Okay, unhappy pallid made to his mistress eyebrow. Okay, in that lover stage he used to write verse to impress his beloved. Okay, mistress. This is the third stage. Right. Okay, next the fourth stage, then a soldier. So what is the fourth stage? A soldier is a fourth stage, full of strange oaths and beard like the pod. Oath, you know very well. Okay, full of strange oaths and beard like a pod. How he looks, his pod means a leopard. Okay, leopard mari, he has a beard and full of strange oaths. In that age, he is ready to take any kind of oath. Okay, அதனால நல்லதா கெட்டதா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு that analytical power he doesn't have at all. Okay, எதுனாலும் okay I can, இந்த வெரி அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு ஏஜ், right? And jealous, that age people, how their attitude will be, see, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. Okay, in these lines that author he comes to say that when he matures, okay, he becomes a soldier and he takes strange oath. He has a beard like a tiger or a leopard. Okay, and he is fires like these animals. So அந்த அனிமலுக்கு எப்படி ஒரு ஃபயர் இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி ஃபயர் இவங்கிட்டையும் இருக்கு. And during this stage of life இவன் என்ன பண்றானா, man is jealous of honor of other. So மற்றவனை காட்டிலும் I have to get honor. அந்த jealous he has in this stage. He is very quick tempered and own quarrels. ரொம்ப quick tempered இருப்பான் and quarrel at any time he is ready to fight. Okay, for what? Since he is warm blooded. Okay, very young blood, no, warm blooded. He looks for temporary reputation and fame. Temporary reputation, seeking the bubble reputation. Bubbles, you know very well. Bubbles, it will come a short time and it will vanish very quickly. Right, that is a bubbles life. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி குவிக்காக வந்துட்டு போகிற ஒரு ஃபேமுக்காக they even that particular age he is ready to go into the mouth of a gun. ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி எனக்கு புகழ் வரும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காண்டி, அந்த புகழ் வந்து இட் இஸ் நாட் பெர்மனன்ட், இட் இஸ் டெம்பரவரி, பட் அன்னோயிங்லி அதை தெரியாமல் என்ன பண்ணுறான், ஹீ இஸ் ரெடி டு சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் ஹிஸ் லைஃப். ஓகே, அப்படியே கெனான்னா யூ நோ வெரி வெல் தட் கன்னுக்கு முன்னாடி போய் அப்படியே பீரங்கி முன்னாடி போய் நின்று சாகுறது கூட ஹீ இஸ் ரெடி. Okay, in that age, that much, that blood is warm blooded, no, so he is ready to die. So in the age la இப்படி தான் அவனோடது இருக்கும். So the fourth age is a soldier. Okay, and okay, and he does not bother for dangers. In this age he does not bother for dangers. So this is a fourth stage.